In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Jujutsu Shenanigans on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly find and join Jujutsu Shenanigans on Roblox. This is going to work for any platform, so PC as I'm demonstrating here, mobile, and also console. All that you have to do is open Roblox on any of those platforms and using the search function look for Jujutsu. Usually, because it is a very popular experience, as soon as you type out Jujutsu, it is going to autocomplete, and when you look for Jujutsu Shenanigans, it should be the first one to pop up. So you will be able to select it here and confirm that it is made by Also Not Z, which is a verified author, and then it should have more than 150 million visits. So if it has more than 150 million visits, you can know that this is the official Jujutsu Shenanigans experience. You will see the like ratio, how many people are active, and then the buttons to join. So I recommend that you take a while to learn these combos here, but basically you can use mouse 1 or your left click to attack and do your full combo. You can use 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the skills, Q to dash, F to block, R for your special, press W twice to sprint, and G to awaken. But regardless, just go ahead and join the experience. You will load immediately and all the controls will be adjusted. So because I'm playing on PC, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, and 4 on my skills here, and I can use them to demonstrate that it works. And if you are playing on controller, you are going to see left bumper, left trigger, and right bumper. And you can see at the bottom left all the options that we have. So we can lock onto enemies, we can use our specials, use shift lock, and so on. And you will be able to change between these characters here. Honored One, Vessel, Restless Gambler, and then 10 Shadows, which isn't available yet. You do need to purchase an early access game pass, but this is all you have to do to actually join. You can see other people here playing. One of them used domain expansion, so they created a domain. You probably saw Hollow Purple or being shot, and so on. So it is an extremely well polished experience, and it is super fun to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Roblox Shenanigans in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.